Hello students, welcome to your first assignment in your Week 6 folder. This assignment is titled Week 6 Learn Periodic Table Basics. As you might have gotten used to, in previous weeks we've always started with a learning assignment, and this is going to follow the same way or organization that we've done before. So in order to access this assignment, you click on the Week 6 Learn Periodic Table Basics title link. That will open that link in a new tab for you. If this is your first time accessing this assignment, you will have a blue Begin button. If you are coming back from a previous attempt, it'll say Continue. Either way, you click the blue button, and that will open the assignment for you. Similar to how we've done this the last few weeks, you have videos and other things to do, and you always want to do them in order. It builds on the material on purpose, so you want to make sure you do everything in order and try not to skip anything. You do want to make sure that you take notes during this. If you want to use the fill-in notes, there is this link here, Week 6 Learn Fill-in Notes Word, and you can actually use that to follow along with the videos and fill in the blanks. Whether you want to do that on the Word document or print it out, it's up to you. Either way, I do recommend taking notes in some way so that you have that for not only the questions but also later assignments. As you scroll down, you have your first video here. It's a good review video, but it also adds to the knowledge that we have in terms of electrons and starts talking about energy levels, which is what you're going to hear a lot this week. So you'll start with this video, answer the following questions. You have 2 new videos, watch from left to right, and then once you're done watching those 2 videos, you'll answer these questions. You have 2 new videos, watch those, answer the following questions. And again, it's a little bit longer, just like the other ones are. You don't have to do this in one sitting. So if you want to do a part of the assignment and then save your work and come back later, you are more than welcome to. You have the individual save answer options, or you can just hit the save all answers here towards the bottom right. If you hit save all answers, it'll save your work. I do recommend doing that periodically as you go through these assignments. So whether your Wi-Fi goes out, your computer dies, you get logged out, something closes, you have your answers saved. So every once in a while, try to hit this button so you don't lose your work. You'll notice as we get to, there is an interactive periodic table link. Anytime you see a blue underlined word, that's going to be a link somewhere in that assignment. I would suggest leaving the periodic table open so you can always come back to that if you need to, and then just go back into the tab. So again, answer those questions, watch this video, answer the new questions, and then similar to what we did in week 5, we do have that vocabulary scatter matching game. When you get to this point, you'll notice that it says when you have completed the game in under 20 seconds, take a screenshot of your completed matching game. So you do have a time limit for this game, and similar to what you did on the last one, once you cover them, they disappear. And the goal is to do this in under 20 seconds. Now I know that time seems really fast, but the reason why it's going to be a time that's a little bit faster is because I want you to know these words. We're going to be using them very frequently. So I want you to be able to use these words and identify these words and understand them as we use them as we continue moving forward in chemistry. So you'll have to do this a couple of times, but again, once you get the game under 20 seconds, you can take a screenshot of this, and then you will attach it using this Browse My Computer link. Click on whatever file it is, hit open, and that will attach your file for you here. And then again, if you want to save, you can save the answer to that, and it actually will save your file here, so you don't have to worry about losing that. Below you have another video, and then you have some of these questions, and then this is another new thing that we haven't necessarily done before either. So remember, anytime you have a blue underlined word or words, that's a link. And if you click on that, this brings you into the element crossword puzzles. Since we're learning about the families of the periodic table, I want you to get a little more comfortable with them. So you have 4 puzzles to do. I have the puzzle numbers incorrect here. I have to fix these, but the titles match. So you want to make sure you do the alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, halogen group, and noble gases. So when you go back into this tab, you'll notice you have the alkaline metals, puzzle 5, the alkaline earth metals, puzzle 6, puzzle 8, the halogen group, and puzzle 9, the noble gases. So you only have 4 puzzles to do. Again, they go by really quick. However, when you're doing these and once you finish them, you have to take a screenshot of each puzzle. And since this only lets you attach one file, I want you to make sure that you are putting your screenshots within a Word document so you can save them all together. So be sure to do that so that way when you submit your assignment, you don't have to sit here and scroll all the way down and keep trying to attach files. Simply put those on a Word document, save the Word document with all of the screenshots, and then that way you'll have that all together to submit for this last piece. Now again, it takes a little bit of time. Take it at your own pace. But when you're ready and everything's done and you're satisfied with your answers, you'll hit this blue Save and Submit button towards the bottom right corner, and that will submit this to me for grading. And then you'll go ahead and move on to the second assignment in the week 6 folder. As always, if you have any questions or you're struggling with any technology, make sure to let me know. Otherwise, again, go ahead and do that second assignment in the week 6 folder.